Hiro-san!
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. Got another delicious recipe inside the studio. Hiro-san, what are we making today?
Today we are going to make a spicy salmon inari sushi.
Right, and these ingredients are really so readily available for you. Hiro-san, let's go through the ingredients first.
Yes. So, of course, the fresh first, salmon.
Okay.
And then next one is this one. This is called inari, like a fried bean curd.
Back in the day, I remember in the sushi business, we were selling this inside the restaurant. It was like, well, these are just basically tofu pockets, and you would just put rice inside of them.
Yeah.
And that would be it.
Usually we do kind of mix, rice with the vegetables.
Okay.
Kind of rice, we're going to put it inside.
All right, and what else do we have today here?
Beside we have a ikura.
Okay.
And fresh wasabi.
Okay.
And we're going to use the scallion.
All right.
And of course, we mix the salmon with the spicy stuff, sriracha, sesame oil, kimchi sauce, and mayonnaise.
All right, right. Very simple. You guys can make this at home.
Very simple.
Right. For these, just go inside a Nation supermarket. Find these inside the Japanese section, usually in a can, and not too much. Okay, Hiro-san, what is the first step?
First step, I'm going to make a spicy salmon. Okay, salmon. Sriracha, kimchi sauce, sesame oil, mayonnaise, scallion. Okay, next one, I'm gonna put a little bit of juice out.
It's very, very simple to do.
Usually, this one's all the way fill up the rice,
Yeah.
and then you serve like this
Exactly,
this side,
yeah.
okay?
This time you're going to serve it the other direction. Basically open-ended. These are so simple. Just take them out of the can, dry them, put it with a paper towel, serve them open-faced. Beautiful, simple dish. Take a look at that. Great snack too. Well, I've never tried Inari with spicy salmon and white rice. Guys want the best salmon in the world? Go to backandfrostshop.com. Information in the description box. Been using the salmon for like almost 10 years. Okay, to the tasting part. Wow, can't wait to try this, Hiro. Okay, enjoy.
Sure.
Looks good, looks good.
Looks good. This is maybe two bites.
How's it?
course, salmon. So good.
Spicy salmon, right? This backer frost is unbelievable.
Inari bean curd, of course, this is a little bit sweet.
Okay. Had not had it in a long time, but
A little bit
try it
sweetness coming.
take a look at this. Well, what a great little snack you guys can make at home. The rice doesn't even have to be freshly made. Just get some rice from the day before,
Yeah.
heat it up in the microwave, and just put everything in, right?
Yeah, today I made a regular sushi rice. I mean, the sushi rice, but you can do the regular rice too.
Right. Okay.
That's pretty good. If people doesn't like, the seaweed or gunkan sushi, this could be, this is a instead. Gunkan sushi, the seaweed wrapped outside.
Well, that is good. Now, like you said, the tofu is a little bit sweet. I taste the delicious backer frost salmon that's got your spicy recipe in it. And then the very, very end, I got the wasabi.
Actually, I really like it.
You like it,
It's
right?
good.
I've not had Inari in a long time. A great combination, guys. You guys got to try it at home. This rice is fantastic, too.
It's really good.
So simple. Give it a try, guys. See you soon.